Hello guys, welcome to NameTech channel. My name is Nehemiah, and guys, I'm very much happy to have you on board. So guys, today we are going to talk about Python dictionary. But guys, if it's your first time to get into this channel, please take a second or two, click that subscribe, the red button, and also the like button, so that you may support this channel. And also to the returning subscribers, I really appreciate you very much. But guys, please, you can also consider liking the video so that YouTube may recommend this show to more viewers. And by the way guys, you can also send us something small to support this channel on 0707 96 79 28. I can repeat again guys, 07 or 0707 96 79 28. I'll appreciate you very much for your support. And so guys, back to the main topic. Is I said that we are going to learn about Python dictionary. So guys, first of all, let's understand what is a dictionary. So basically, a dictionary are used to store data values in key value pairs. So a dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. So guys, you realize that the first two items about it, having a defined order and also being changeable, resemble the list. So guys, you realize that but then guys, there's something here that it does not allow duplicates, and we are going to discuss about these stuffs as we go on. But then guys, let me try to tell you something. As a Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. But in Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionaries are unordered. So guys, a dictionary are written with the curly brackets, the curly braces, and they have key and values in pairs. As we are going to, or perhaps let me just show you an example here. And let me zoom in first of all, and then guys, let me write here an example so that you may understand this dictionary very well. Now I'm going to write here, I'm going to use a variable name. And guys, as we were introducing this Python classes, I said that variables are used to store data values, and I used an example for water tank, which is used to store water to be used later. So likewise, in variables in Python programming are used to store values to be used later. So guys, I'm going to write here a variable name, and guess what? What I like using is fruits. So fruits is our variable name. And then guys, I'm going to assign. Basically, we use this equals operator not to equate but to assign this variable name to the value. And then guys, I'm going to use here a string. First of all, let me say, like for example, right here, let me just say NameTech. Let me this time use NameTech. Actually, my brand, and let me say NameTech. NameTech. Hey guys, I don't know how you pronounce it, but for me, I pronounce it NameTech. NEHMTECH. And then here, so the first item I see that they are in two pairs. They are in pairs of a key and a value. So the key here, I'm going to give it perhaps, let me say brand. Let me say brand. And guys, I will use the actual, these are called what, colons here, the colons. And then guys, the brand, let me say NameTech underscore KE. By the way guys, if you want to find this channel on YouTube, you can just search NameTech underscore KE, or just search NameTech, then you are going to find this channel. The logo guys, I guess and then guys, you end an item with a comma. Otherwise, Python will not recognize this stuff as a dictionary. So you must end with that with a comma. And then for example, let me say website, and then I'm going to give it something like, actually my website, let me type in my domain, World Wide Web. Then I'm going to write in my domain, which is NameTech nametech.com. And by the way guys, in this website we have many programming courses there, including this Python full course. We have Java, we have C++, we have HTML, CSS, we have Kotlin, we have R, we have Bootstrap and all frameworks guys. We also have machine learning with Python, with R, and a lot of courses guys are found there, so you can take a look. Then you're going to see it by yourself. And then guys, let me end it with a comma, and perhaps let me say the year that this nametech was established. So let me say year, and by the way guys, this dictionary allow all kind of data types, including the boolean, the integer, but in this case I've been using the strings, but at least let me try to use the integer. So the integer, let me say 2021. Actually this channel was established, I created this channel last year on I think September or November there. So let me just say 2021. And so guys, now to print these codes we use the print function. Actually the print function is used to execute these codes in our terminal. So let me say print, and then print, then guys you close with the rounded brackets, and then I'm going to write out the variable name, which is nametech. The variable name is nametech. And then guys, now if you want to run this code in our terminal, we have the shortcut, which is shift plus F10, but guys I want to show you the long way. First of all, so you go to the run, because this is the first live show. So you go to the run here at the run tab, then guys you go to the run here, the fourth item in this drop down, then I click on the run, then guys it's going to open what is going to open this this stuff here, this small window. Then guys here you're going to select actually the file that you are currently using, if you want to identify the file that you are using. So perhaps on your end you might have several files, especially if you created several objects. But if you want to specify a project, guys you can see here on your top left here we have the main. So basically this is the project name, and guys you can see here you have the main. So when you click on it guys, it's going to open what? It's going to open the terminal here, here this low end here, and then guys you can see that we have our dictionary here. But guys I want to show you now the shortcut. So the shortcut to run, perhaps let me just zoom in so that you can see. I guess you don't see it on your end. So guys, when you click on the run here, and then here this first item in this drop down, you can see that we have the shortcut here, which is shift plus F10. So once you run these codes in our terminal, then it will be by default the main item to be run. So when you click on the shift plus F10, it's going to open out that file that you run. So guys, basically that is the shortcut. I'll be using the shortcut. But then guys, now you are going to understand this dictionary much more as we go on. So guys, let me try to talk about these dictionary items. And I said that dictionary items are ordered, they are changeable, and that does not allow duplicates. So guys, dictionary items are represented in key and value, as guys have shown you. We have like this brand is a key, and then the value, and then a website nametech. So it appear in pairs, the key and the value, and like this example that I've shown you. So guys, when we talk about it being ordered or unordered, what do we mean? So guys, as I told you that as of Python version 3.7 and later, they are ordered. But I remember the previous version from Python 3.6 in the earlier dictionaries are unordered. So when we say that a dictionary are ordered, we mean that the items have a defined order, and that order will not change. But if we talk about it being unordered, we mean that the item does not have a defined order. You cannot refer to an item using an index. So and then I guess I also said that these Python Python dictionary are changeable. So when we say that a dictionary are changeable, we mean that we can change, add or remove items after after the dictionary has been created. but then there is something here, that this Python do not allow duplicates. And guys, I guess the best way for you to understand, let me do an example here, so that you may understand that this Python dictionary does not allow duplicates. So let me copy this line here, let me copy, and then do it. Let me just paste it there, and then here let me just, actually guys, remember you end with what? You end with a comma, actually, because otherwise this Python will not recognize it as a dictionary. So let me just paste it there, and then guys, here I'm going to say what? Let me say 2022. So guys, it will not recognize this first item, because the key here is resemble the second one here. The keyword here, the year, and also we have 2 years, so it will not, it will overwrite this first item, and it will write what? It will print 2022, the year 2022. So let me click on the Shift plus F10. Remember, this is our shortcut to run the code in our terminal. And then guys, you can see that we have only 3 items here. We have this this first one, we have this second item, and then I have this third item, but then we don't have 2021. Why? Because it does not allow what? Duplicates. So it overwrites the existing values, value. So guys, now how do we determine the length of our dictionary? Just like the tuples, the list, and also what the sets, you determine the length of a dictionary using the length function. And then inside it you are going to write what? The variable name. So let me say name tag, and then guys, I remember the shortcut to run. It is Shift plus what? Shift plus is it plus F10? Yeah, plus F10. And then guys, you can see that we have the length here of items 3. So basically guys, I say that it overwrites it overwrites this existing value here, because it does not allow what? Duplicates. So basically manually you can count it. You have 4 items, like 1 2 3 4, but then it overwrites this one and it becomes 3. So like let me try another example using a boolean. I said that it allow different what data types. So let me try also with a boolean, like if someone pronounce this, actually I pronounce this channel, this brand as name tech, like this one, name tech, but then these are correct what? These are correct, these are wrong what? Name. Let me add it is a string, so I must say name tech inside the quotation mark. So guys, basically these are false what? These are wrong what? These are wrong channel name. So I'm going to write what? A boolean called false. Remember that false is a preserved keyword in Python. You cannot use it as a variable name, because it's a preserved. Also true is a preserved keyword in Python. You cannot use it. So when you click on Shift plus what? Plus F10, and guys, you can see that the items are now increased to 4, but then I don't want to determine the length. Let me try to print out the values there. So I click on Shift plus F10, guys, remember the shortcut, and then guys, you can see that we have what? These other items. It allows what? All kind of data types, including the strings, integer, and also the booleans. Now guys, I said that dictionary, actually I said that this Python dictionary allows what? Different data types. And guys, perhaps let me try to talk about this Python collection. They are called arrays, and this is what we've been discussing. And guys, there are 4 collection data types in the Python programming language. And guys, the first one that we talked about was the list, and I said that is a collection which is ordered and changeable and allow duplicate member. And guys, we did an example there. And then I talked about the Python tuples, a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, and also allows what? Allows I say that a tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, but it does not. It allows what? Duplicate members. And the set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. and also does not allow duplicate members. And guys, today we have talked about Python dictionary, and guys, we have realized that is a collection which is ordered, and they are changeable, and does not allow duplicate member, guys, as it overrides the existing values. So guys, basically this is what I wanted to show you in this show, and guys, I think if you find it helpful, so guys, please consider subscribing and also share it to your friends. So in our next class, perhaps a live stream or a normal upload, I'll share Python if else condition. So guys, thank you so much for your time, and guys, goodbye for now. See you later.